card.jsx and RFC. It's create everything is a card, and then we have the div and the div h1. Have to pass the props. Props dot name, and then we have use. Okay, that's fine. Have the p, the email, email. This is a card of the JSX we created. We have to pass the values, right? The div. So already div. Like I want to import the cards from the cards. So basically, you need to have the capitals in front of. This is another better way. It's a card. Yeah. Sure. And then we have the email. Some thread of gmail.com. Then they close it. React props the React prop, the short term is the properties. I use it to pass the data from one component to another. For example, I created the card.jsx file, and they define the function inside it. The function becomes a component. We call it as a component or functions in the React. This is all called as a one component. When you want to pass the data to this component using the props, for example, the props are essentially use the pass the values from one component to another. For example, in this instance, if you want to I want to the pass the name and email the prop component. I added the prop on the function, the parameter, and then I use the prop dot name and prop dot email, and then in this the component we have the import the card component from the main app component. And how can this you need to I mentioned the name as the issuer and the email some email.com. You need to ensure the name is spelled correctly while you are define them, or else it throw will be an error. However, the React does not throw the compile error for the correct props. It may throws a runtime error or fail the rendering the correctly the props. This is an example as the issuer and the email ID successfully show the output. And then props are one of the most essential for the future the React, because it allows the component to reusable. It shows, for example, the example like additionally the React is a special prop like called children prop. The children prop allows you to pass the one element the component of the children's of component. This is used making essentially component more flexible of the reusable. The so this is a name. This is a name component. I passed the children's, and then I imported this the name component, and then add some h1s and a paragraph. This is a children page, and the adding the paragraph, and this successfully printed. The children's props are the most useful if you want to the pass the elements or something like if you have the CSS. If you can mention the CSS the class name dot flex or something else. You mention the CSS, the easy way to use the children prop. Props are read only, the meaning they cannot be modified by the change the component. You can pass the any data prop like including numbers, strings, functions, arrays, or even the components with the children prop. With the children prop, you can even pass the entire block of HTML of the React elements. Uh,